Hey, what's going on, guys? Punnav here, and thank you guys for watching my first video, which went about more than 450 views and more than 53 likes. I won't thought that it would be so great. So, yep. Uh, if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave it down in the comment section below. It's for you. Feel free to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe for there are many videos coming soon. So, yep. Let's get into this. Taking a look at the actual box, we can see that box says clear natural sound, and some it gives some information. I guess it's Chinese. I don't know how to read it. And we get some small, medium, and large ear tips, so that everyone can get their perfect choice. And the actual headphones are like this. I was shocked by seeing its shape, but apparently I get used to it. The ear tips and the actual earpiece are very comfortable, and the pin comes. It have a gold plated pin. The earphones are very comfortable, but the wires near the joint are very thin. They are not flat wires, so they get tangled sometime. But yeah, I got used to it within a days or. Earphones are fully okay. The only con I found on these earphones are there are no on-wire controls on the earphone, as they are sports fit and they are very comfortable and they don't just pop out of my ear like anything. But it actually lacked a function of pause, play, and the volume rocker. The whole thing is rubberized and well grip fits very perfectly and precisely in my ears. But only con I found that the dust and the dirt gets stick to it and it becomes very difficult to remove it. I got tired of removing it, and I just left it in the same way as it is. But yeah, that's the con, and I probably don't like any dirty earphones putting into my ears. As per the box says, they are a bit rotatable, but they don't rotate complete 360 degree. So they rotate only a very slight and a very steep angle, uh, like I guess probably 15-degree angle, and that's important. I don't find any problem with it. They are comfortable. At the end of the day, I didn't find any problem with it aside the pause and the play button mounted on the wire itself. But they are very comfortable and I enjoy using it. I can play football or cycle, probably go to cycling or running out, and they never come or pop out of that. They are still wired, so if you hate wires, then this is not for you. The frequency response is very good, the bass is perfect, the overall impression, and at the end of the day, I like them and I would like to use them instead of any other typical in-ear headphones. My overall reaction with this are they are pretty good and they are with me every time I move out of my house. They are very comfortable, and the sound are this sound is very natural. And again, when you are wearing these earphones, you will probably stop listening all the outside noise. That bit dangerous also, but still useful. I don't suggest them you wearing this, listening music and walking on the roads. Oh, sorry. So yep, that's all about it. And in conclusion, I would like to say that these are very good headphones actually, but it would be excellent if they would have included volume rocker and play and pause button on it. So yep, but they are pretty good. I enjoy using it. Okay guys, so subscribe to my channel, and if you don't have a Gmail account, just make it. That's gonna help you a lot. Yep, that's gonna help you a lot. Apps from utility section, games, and again photography, editing. I have sorted out a list of apps, so I'm gonna review them all for you guys. And again, games. So yep, that's all about it, guys. See you guys in the next video. Thanks. And I also bought a video mic. So yep, see, it's a Rode video mic. So full review coming soon of this with audio samples. So if you want that, give me a thumbs up. And definitely, if you have any suggestions or comments or anything you wanna tell me, just leave it down in the comment section below. And yep, I do value your comments. Thanks.